Break list of dictionaries into dictionaries for common elements. The problem is a little hard to explain with just the title. I have a huge list of dictionaries, dic_list, about 18k long. One of the keys on each of them is process. The processes are etch and depot, and each will repeat for a bit, then change to the other, and back. These are called runs. I need to group similar processes together into a list until the process changes, then insert that list into a runs dictionary. Here is a better visual explanation. Basically, if I loop over dic_list, printing each process line by line, it would look like. For that example, I would have 4 runs dictionaries, each with a list of 4 dictionaries. I would need to group them into lists and then into dictionaries like such. It would be something like: iterate over each dictionary. Place the first dictionary in a list, and that list into a new dictionary. We call this a run. On the next iteration, if dictionary process is the same, store it into the same list and same dictionary. If dictionary process changes, store the current dictionary in a new list and then into a new dictionary. I'm just not sure how to put this into Python logic. I'm still newish at this. This is what I have so far. I'm feeling there should be a while loop there, while dictionary process remains the same, do stuff, but I don't know how to put that into Python, or how to break out, because the condition would always be true if I check it like I am now.
You can use itertools.groupb. Output. Itertools.groupb categorizes data based on a single key. In this case, the data is grouped around the value for the process key, resulting in nested lists containing the key value and all elements that have a matching key value. To create the custom run number key, enumerate is used to keep track of the current index of iteration in a clean manner.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.